Hey there, food lovers! Get ready to dive into the wonderful world of avocados with me. That's right. Today we're serving up the avocado advantage. Discover the top 7 reasons to include them in your diet. You know I love a good snack, and let me tell you, avocados are at the top of my list. But they're so much more than just delicious. They're packed with good stuff that your body will absolutely love. We're about to spill the tea on all the amazing benefits of this creamy, dreamy fruit. Get ready to be amazed. First up, let's talk vitamins and minerals. Avocados are packed with a variety of essential nutrients that our bodies need to function properly. Avocados are like the multivitamin of the fruit world. They contain a wide range of vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health and well-being. They're bursting with vitamin C, which is great for your immune system, helping to fend off illnesses and keep you feeling your best. And let's not forget about vitamin K, which helps keep your bones strong and supports proper blood clotting. Plus, they've got potassium, which is super important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and ensuring your heart functions smoothly. Potassium also helps with muscle function and nerve signals. And hold on, there's more. Avocados are a good source of folate, which is especially important for pregnant women, as it supports healthy fetal development and reduces the risk of birth defects. They've also got fiber, which keeps your digestion running smoothly by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber is also beneficial for maintaining a healthy weight and lowering cholesterol levels. It's like they took everything good and stuffed it into one delicious package. Avocados are truly a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a little bit of everything your body needs. Mother Nature really outdid herself with this one. The next time you enjoy an avocado, remember all the incredible health benefits packed into this versatile fruit. Now, let's talk about your ticker, because avocados are here to keep that heart of yours happy and healthy. They're loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are the good kind of fats that can actually lower your cholesterol levels. These fats are essential because they help reduce bad cholesterol, known as LDL, while maintaining or even increasing good cholesterol, known as HDL. This balance is crucial for a healthy heart. And we all know that keeping our cholesterol in check is key to preventing heart disease. High cholesterol can lead to the buildup of plaques in your arteries, which can cause blockages and lead to serious heart conditions like heart attacks or strokes. But wait. There's even more heart-healthy goodness. Avocados are packed with fiber, which helps in reducing bad cholesterol levels and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Avocados are also a good source of potassium, which, as we mentioned earlier, is a superstar when it comes to maintaining healthy blood pressure. Potassium helps balance out the negative effects of sodium and eases tension in your blood vessel walls, which is essential for heart health. So, adding avocados to your diet is like giving your heart a big hug. Not only do they taste great, but they also provide a wealth of nutrients that support overall cardiovascular health. Whether you add them to your salads, smoothies, or simply enjoy them on toast, your heart will thank you for it. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room: weight management. Now, I know what you're thinking. Avocados are high in fat. How can they be good for weight management? Well, my friends, it's all about those good fats again. The healthy fats in avocados help you feel fuller for longer, which means you're less likely to overeat. Plus, they're packed with fiber, which also contributes to that feeling of fullness. So, while avocados are a bit more calorie-dense than some other fruits, they can actually be your secret weapon in the battle of the bulge. Chapter 4. Now, let's talk about those peepers. Avocados are packed with 2 powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are like superheroes for your eyes. These antioxidants help protect your eyes from harmful blue light, which we're all exposed to from our phones, computers, and even the sun. And get this, lutein and zeaxanthin have been linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, 2 common eye conditions that can affect our vision as we get older. So, eat your avocados, protect your peepers, and keep those peepers sparkling. Chapter 5. Skin and Hair. Welcome to a journey where we explore the incredible benefits of avocados for your skin and hair. Get ready to glow from the inside out, because avocados are about to become your new beauty secret. These green gems are packed with nutrients that can transform your beauty routine. Remember those healthy fats we talked about? They play a crucial role in maintaining the health of your skin and hair. Well, they're not just good for your insides, they're amazing for your skin and hair too. These fats help to nourish and hydrate, ensuring that your skin remains soft and your hair stays strong. Healthy fats help keep your skin moisturized and supple, giving you that youthful glow. They act as a natural barrier, protecting your skin from dryness and environmental damage. Plus, avocados are a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to your skin, keeping it firm and elastic. And collagen is what keeps our skin firm and elastic. Without enough collagen, our skin can start to sag and develop wrinkles. So, whether you're eating them or using avocado-based beauty products, get ready for radiant skin and luscious locks. Incorporate avocados into your diet and skincare routine to see the amazing benefits for yourself. Your skin will thank you with a radiant glow, and your hair will shine with health and vitality. Chapter 6. Digestive Health. Let's talk digestion, baby. We all know how important it is to keep things moving smoothly in the gut, and avocados are here to help. They're a good source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which are both essential for a healthy digestive system. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and helps bulk up your stool, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps things move along. And a happy gut means a happy you. Chapter 7. Versatility in recipes. Okay, let's talk about the fun part, using avocados in recipes. One of the best things about avocados is how versatile they are. You can slice them up and add them to salads, sandwiches, and tacos. You can mash them up and make guacamole, avocado toast, or even avocado chocolate pudding. You can blend them into smoothies for a creamy boost of nutrients. The possibilities are endless. Well, there you have it, folks. The avocado advantage. Discover the top 7 reasons to include them in your diet. From boosting your heart health to giving you glowing skin, avocados are the gift that keeps on giving. So, what are you waiting for? Go grab yourself an avocado, get creative in the kitchen, and experience all the amazing benefits this superfood has to offer. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy living tips and tricks.